Hi everyone, it's Katie Baccus with the Baccus Realty Group. I'm here with little baby Annie. Happy New Year. How many of you are feeling so good about this new year? I am feeling rejuvenated, positive, so excited to jump into this new year. So many blessings, and I'm really excited for the year to come. So Happy New Year from both of us. I wanted to do a short video and a simple video, a simple topic really. I've made a video in the past a couple years ago about this, and I really think it's one of the greatest misconceptions around buying a home, and that is down payment. I talk to so many potential buyers, especially younger first-time home buyers, that seem to think you need 20-25% to put down on a home as your first home. And I can't stress this enough, that simply is not the case. Can you believe that it's actually more expensive in some cases to rent a property right now? So you have to think, you have a security deposit, you have cleaning fees, you have pet fees. It can actually be more expensive to rent a place than to buy a place right now. As a first-time home buyer, you can get in as low as 3%. There's even grant assistance programs out there where you don't need a down payment at all. The down payment programs are vast. There's a lot of them, and I would really love to be part of that education, because if down payment or liquid cash is really what's stopping you from jumping into home ownership, there's ways around it, I promise, and you simply do not need 20% down anymore. I hope that helps. I hope that clears some stuff up. I would love to be a part of your home ownership journey. Please feel free to DM me, email me. I am with Baccus Realty Group, Katie at baccusrealtygroup.com. Would love to help in any way that I can. My goal this year is really coming from a serving heart and coming from a place of purpose and value. And I want all of my clients to own homes, homes, plural, if that's their goal. And if I can support them in any way, I would love to do that, whether that be education or coaching them through the home buying process. So make it a wonderful day. I have such a good feeling about 2020. Please let us know how we can help. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.